List your first product on Amazon Seller Central. Step-by-step guide. The right product listing is a crucial component of Amazon's success. If you're a newbie, you might find it difficult. Don't worry, making your first product listing is a lot simpler than you would imagine. Before generating a product listing, you'll need to prepare a few items. It's no secret that we obsess about customers at Amazon. As an Amazon seller, you contribute to a better selection, lower pricing, and a superior customer experience for those customers. Make sure you have all of the necessary information. We are going to go over 3 key points with you. Listing your first product. You must create a product listing on Amazon before selling it. Either add a new listing or match an existing one. Individual sellers list products one at a time, but professional sellers can market them in large batches via bulk uploading or inventory management with third-party platforms. We are going to go over 3 key points with you. You should be able to complete each step and utilize them to construct your own Amazon product listing by the end of this tutorial. Step 1. Sign in to Amazon Seller Central and go to Add a Product. Sign into Amazon Seller Central and select Add a Product. Under the Inventory drop-down menu, make sure that you're logged into the Seller Central account of your Amazon selling account. Step 2. Step 2. Find the right category and subcategories on Amazon. There are 2 possible ways available. The first is that if you want to sell a product that already exists on Amazon, you can go with the first choice, which is to search Amazon's library for your products. You can type any product ID, such as EPC, ISBN, or ASIN number into the search field. If you want to sell a product that isn't available on Amazon, select I'm adding a product that isn't available on Amazon. But as we are going to see how to list a new product, so we will see how to find the right category in that section. You'll be asked to assign your new product to an Amazon category. You may find the category one of 2 ways: using the search feature or browsing the categories. Step number 3. Step 3. Filling out your product listing information. Vital info. Once you've chosen the category, you have to complete the essential part of the process, which is filling out the listing information of your new product. This section is divided into several tabs, the first of which contains vital info. The vital info is mentioned below. Step number 4. Step 4. Filling out your listing variations info. If you're offering the same product in several different variants, you can choose versions based on size, color, or items. Create a parent ASIN and then list all of the child SINs below it. If you select the variation listing, your items will be displayed as a variation listing on the detail page. And in the back end, you will need to fill up all the necessary fields based on the various themes. Step number 5. In the Fulfillment channel, there are 2 options: Seller Fulfillment, FBM, and Amazon Fulfillment, FBA. The second one, it is a merchant fulfilled if the seller fulfills the orders and packages everything. Here, we are selecting the Seller Fulfillment, FBM, and click Save and Finish. Step number 6. Now it's time to move on to the image portion. This is where we'll save all of your photos. Amazon allows up to 10 photographs, and it is essential that you have at least 5 to 6 images. The images should be of outstanding quality and high quality resolution. Maximum 9 images are allowed to upload it. You can arrange the order after uploading images. Step number 7. Add product description. Adding the description is an important part And Amazon allows 5 key feature bullet points, which are to maximize our visibility. Here we will also need to fill up the product description in HTML format. We can use up to 2,000 characters to fill up the product description. Step number 8. This last step is very important. Add keywords or search terms. Another important aspect of making a successful product listing is the use of keywords. The first are search terms, which are also known as back-end keywords. If any synonyms or other search phrases that we would like to include in the listing, need to add them in here. Final words. By following these steps, we can easily create a listing on Amazon and start selling your products. Hope that this article will help to provide a proper thought on Amazon listing. In the entire post, we have seen how to make your first product live on Amazon with some step-by-step guidelines.